dami. Ayan oh, lahat ito talaba. Ito bro oh. Hindi natin langan ito guys ha. Tapos lumalaban. Buhay. Yun. Wala, yun. Kainin natin. Oh, sarap oh. Ayos. Wag lang bumaliktad yung tiyan natin. Doing? What are you doing?
I'm fishing.
Let's move. Ha? Wala kami alam sa pamimigit. Nagkaloko-loko na. Wala pa rin kami nakukuha. 3 oras na kami dito.
Wala pa naman. Wala.
Nakabulbul na. Wala.
Wala naman.
Wala, yan o. Yan lang. Yan na nakuha namin. Ulo na lang natira. Mr. Claus! Mr. Claus! Fishing Mr. Claus! Nasaan na yung ano mo?
Ha? Doon. Wala, crab yata eh. Mga crab. Oh, mga men.
Welcome to Kai Iwi Lake, New Zealand. Napakaganda ng lugar guys. Siyempre, mas maganda pa rin yung sa atin. Pero isa ito sa magandang napuntahan ko sa New Zealand. Maganda siya. Medyo nandito lang kami sa medyo marami-raming damo-damo. Meron doon banda Pino sa kabila. Pero oh, dito marami kayong makikita. Anong makikita rito?
Alam mo na yun.
Alam na. Marami nga. Oh. Hello my daughter. How are you my daughter? What?
Daddy, can you get my goggles?
Where's your goggles?
In the car.
Sorry, okay.
I can't go in. Wait! Clay! I need goggles. Daddy, I need goggles.
Okay, I will get it.
Okay, I love you. Thank you.
No.
Video?
How we get
Before you had
water.
gadgets.
Yes. This is where our wag na English.
Dad, this is bore water.
Here, explain mo
Bore water. You can't
Yeah,
drink
that's
it.
how
See?
that's how our water system.
What is bore water?
Like you bore
No, it's not.
you bore the tube like the
How do you,
Like the
how you
still-
drink it?
like the steel tube. You pull it.
How do
Like
you drink
you
it?
need to drill it.
How do you drink it?
Grabe yung mga bata niyo.
Daddy, how you drink it then?
You get a cup, then you put the cup inside.
Ito cemetery yan.
Hindi.
Di ba may ganyan na cemetery?
Si Aryan. Amoy patay.
Cemetery yun natin. Sosyal.
Ganda oh.
Parang ikakasal lang bro. Dito
Oo nga eh oh. Dito bro, ang ganda ng ano.
lagyan ng aisle tapos may cold floor bro.
Ay, magpicture tayo dito, tapos katamang katago tayo. Kunwari.
Kauri tree. Ito yan. Kanyang sample. Laki. So, hiniwa talaga. The blotter. Kauri. Later.
Bro, gusto mo bro, ganito lamisa mo bro. Ganito kalaki.
Malaking pamilya yan bro. Pag lamesa mo ganito daw kalaki. Malaki-laking pamilya yan. Sis. Grabe. Bro, nakita mo si Moana? Nandun.
Mga video natin.
Hindi naman ako nag-video sa iyo eh.
Nakita ito eh.
Paano mo makita?
Mga video natin.
Okay, come on. I know where this one is.
Is it a difficult one?
She got the name. No, this.
The portrait.
I know where this one is. We saw it.
Do a serious face.
Oh, he's
He's happy.
Looks like I know where's the chicken.
I know
I
where
saw
this
some
one
egg.
is. Oh, I know where this one is.
Siguro siya ang sugat.